Okay, here we go. Just got through putting new gears in the 33G. I made a video of this earlier using a different camera, and it was a really bad quality, so I'm sorry you didn't get to actually see the step-by-step directions, but these gears right here go inside the helicopter. Let's see, I've got one apart here. Basically, these little round gears fit on these platforms here, and they ride on the motors. One here and one here. They're not that hard to replace. Now what I've done is I've cut the bottom out of the helicopter so I can access the 3 screws right here, here, and here, okay? You're going to take those 3 screws out, take the screwdriver, and pop the cover off. Then you have to take the screw out of the bottom gear here, this screw right here, take that bottom gear off, and then pull this top blade up and out, paying careful attention not to lose this little bearing inside this plastic black sleeve here, okay? Alright? Once you get that through there, then you're going to stick they call this a hollow tube gear. We'll stick this back through, like so. Now there's some little chrome pins in this cap piece, this end cap here, that goes over, and oops, hang on a second. There we go. And it goes over the gears, like so. Just like so. Then you put your 3 screws back in, okay? And there you go. Those 2 little gears cost a whopping $3.99. You get them from UJ Toys. You can see, let's see, I got them gear refurbished. They were actually 99 cents a piece. I went ahead and bought 3 of them for $2.97. Went ahead and bought 3 sets, because when you land this helicopter in deep grass, if you don't shut the power off, it's going to work like a weed whacker, and something's going to break. And it's better these little 99-cent gears break. You just simply take it apart. Now, the proper way is to take the hood off, take this side panel, these screws here off, and then access it. But if you do it my way, I just cut the bottom out, because I have to go in there and replace some gears probably at least once a month. Depends on me, my flying, if I'm paying attention when I land it, if I hit some high grass. But like I said, I'd rather the gears break than anything else. Anyway, let's go fly this bad boy. You can see I got my landing skids attached with zip straps. Took the screws out so that if I do crash it, the zip straps will break instead of the landing skid. I keep my antenna wrapped around my skid like that. This is my spotlight mod. I made this using one of these cheap flashlights right here. Made that spotlight mod and just wired it in. Then I got the 9104 tail blade. This tail blade, you can see, is so much bigger than the factory, but it's pitch different, so when you put it on, forward becomes reverse and reverse becomes forward because of the left pitch of the blade. So reverse the tow motor wires, which I did here, and cover them with electrical tape. And now I put the blue on the white and the white on the blue. And now reverse is forward and forward is reverse, and it flies correct. Now let's go outside and let's watch it fly. I'll show you how fast. Here we go. Now this is my modified transmitter. See, there's no batteries. I got a charge cord. There's a 7.4 battery inside my transmitter, which gives me more radio frequency and better helicopter range. Okay. Here we go. Going to turn your helicopter on, turn your remote on, bring your throttle up and down, and then watch for the red light inside to go solid. When that red light goes solid, you know it's connected. And there she goes. Alright, well, we do have a little bit of breeze today, but here we go. Alright. Alright, here she comes. Alright. Get your asshole! Get in that yard! Get! Go! Get home! Get! thing has so much. Watch reverse. Look at that. Look at that. This thing has so much power. Watch forward. This is full forward. Look at that. Woo! Watch reverse. Woo! Whoa! Whoa! Yeah. Yeah, she's got so much power, it's not even funny. That tail motor is just... Watch the tail motor. Watch it. Watch this. Now reverse. Woo! Look at that, man. That thing has so much push to it. Well, battery's going dead. I'm gonna take her home. Alright. I had a catastrophic landing earlier, so let me do some weed whacking. Watch. I missed it. Well, I think I'm losing the battery. And maybe we can trim the bushes once. There we go. Oh no! Have no fear. Pull the leaves off. The 33G is here. No problems. Oh, she did turn off. Take that back. No, the battery came unplugged. No big deal. There you go. These helicopters are so tough and durable, I'm telling you. See? Just like brand new now. Whoa! Okay. Can we get out of that? Yeah! Woo-hoo! There you go. Alright. That's my little landing spot. I always make this my little landing spot. You know what I should do? I should take a bunch of these solar yard lights. Oh, one of them's knocked over. But I should take a bunch of these, get them from the dollar store, and make me a lighted helicopter landing pad in the backyard for nights. I think I might do that. That'd be pretty cool. Yeah. Anyway, this is Flintstone 810. My own piece of the sky, the 33G. Yep, that's with the Spotlight mod update. Got the 9104 tail blade, the 11.4 volt or 11.1 volt battery. Got the tail boom lights, side lights. This is my baby. I have a lot of helicopters, but I don't know. She was my first. And I guess I've done so much mods, I know this helicopter inside out. But anyway, enjoy your own piece of the sky. Have a good day.